Okay, so we've got the microstructure cavity map in here. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to open up the detail material function we made earlier, and then we're going to implement it into here. So I think that should work out pretty good. Let's go ahead and just add. Let's add well, let's see. So we actually added the mask already. So this would be for the overall mask. So we would want to do the actual mask for the tiling section. So let's create a specular mask. Actually, I think that'll be good. Let's go there and then create another one. Oh, we actually didn't even. Oh, I see. We're just masking out the detail normals. Okay, that makes sense. All right, now we're gonna mask the specular. Okay, so we're gonna use the same thing here. We'll just copy this and then just name this detail normal mask. And we'll put the tiling in the same spot. We'll change this to RGBA, change this to a channel, because I guess a good idea would be to, if you have multiple different detail normals, you could pack those masks into the different channels here. Okay, let's do DN mask channel. How about tile mask channel? Tiling mask channel, and then this one would be mask channel. This would be detail normal tiling mask. Okay, so we've got that. Let's move this down here because it doesn't have anything to do with this stuff here. We will go ahead and bring in a linear interpolate. What we want to do is take the specular that we have, put it into here, or actually no, put it into this one, and then the mask will go into the alpha, and then this will be just the tiling mask strength. So we'll do a scalar parameter, call it dn tiling mask strength, or tiling mask spec would make more sense. So we can set that to 0, that's fine. We could also do a power node, so if we wanted to have some contrast here, this would be dn tiling mask contrast. I'll set that to 1. Okay, let's go ahead and can just that should be fine. So we got the mask going in through there, and then we will just go ahead and plug this into our specular. And that should be good. Let's just change this to right there, to our mask for the detail normal for default. We'll go back here. I'm going to save all so that we save the texture. Let's actually go back to this and make sure we actually set it to mask, just because we get a little bit better quality. And I think we get reduced resource size, possibly. Okay, maybe not for this small. But we could use virtual texture. Save that out. And then it's giving us an error because this is set to color, so we need to change it to virtual mask, and it should be good. Go ahead and save that. And let it compile here. Or actually, hold on. Let's do a switch here. Whoops. Let's do a switch parameter and call this DN tiling mask, or use tiling mask. That's fine. And if not, we'll just use the regular specular. Okay, go ahead and save that out. Let's make sure our specular is actually coming before our normal maps. Okay, so let's go here and let's go here. Whoops, wrong spot. Oh, we're in details. That's weird that it's not showing our actual. Okay, that's kind of weird. I never seen it happen like that before. Let's go in here. Make sure our spec is coming before our normals so that we can actually adjust them, and it is. So that's good. Yeah, that should be good to go. Let's go up to our detail normal section here, and we can actually turn it on. So let's see what it's doing when we turn it on. And that's a little hard to see when you're compiling. Okay, we need to actually put them in the correct group. That would be helpful. So let's move this over here. Shared wrap, maps, let's go to detail normal and detail normal. Save that out, save all, save selected, go back here. Okay, should be in there. And we want to use the, hold on, oh, we don't want to use that. We just want to use the tiling mask. Go ahead and do this. So we should be using it now. And tiling mask specular. So we set this to 1, it brightens up. Set it to 0. That's cool. So if we go in close, and then we crank the contrast, we should be able to see something. Yeah, I think that's all right. Let's see what 50 looks like. So yeah, we can see the small breakups in there, and gives it a more skin-like quality, which is pretty cool. Could even set this. Oh wait, no, let's not set that lower. Let's change this to like 5, maybe 3. Cool. So yeah, that's pretty cool stuff. Um, let's see. So the only issue would be the actual roughness value here. So we'd have to actually crank this up, because since we're adding detail normals on top of here, it's actually changing the roughness amount, because that's basically what detail normals are, is roughness. So we'd have to increase it. Otherwise, another thing we could do is actually add the detail normal, add a control for it, so we could adjust it per section. So maybe we could do that in another video. Yeah, so let's just set this down to like 5. 3. 0.1 is fine. And let's change this to like, I guess 50 is fine. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and set up an adjustment for this in the next video. So I'll see you there.